Just that essential travel again. Oh, they've been revving all night so far. And of course, they're just allowing it. Even though it's locked down, supposedly. Right, but these are the police as informants. So they're allowed to do it. Right. For this harassment program. You know, this happens. Usually, it's not happened every day. Usually it does, but in the lockdown, they've been very. I'll upload this tomorrow. They've been very. What do you call it? Timing oriented when they do it. So they've been doing it when I've been uploading videos and stuff. Yeah, it's about. Let's have a look. 11:30 at night. It's 11:30 at night, and of course this is just being allowed because it's them doing it. It's the police orchestrating this and their gang stalking harassment program. So they just let them rev. It's like if I was driving that car, I bet I'd be pulled over straight away. You know what I mean? But because this is the police's informants, they got free reign to do this bullshit, this revving, because it's all part of the noise campaign to try and target me. You know, and this has been going on for years. For those that are new to my channel, this has been going on since 2014. It started when I was in Sheffield. It's followed me out here. Wherever I go, these fuckers do this shit in the UK. Right here. This is one of the tactics they do, this late night revving. You know, it's time to when I do things. Sirens as well. So I've uploaded 2 videos tonight, so I guess they're not happy. So this is a little retaliation. I guess they think somehow it's going to stop me.